Hey everybody, Johnson Hesp here and welcome to some more Space Engine. In this video I wanted to talk about the Permian-Triassic extinction event. It's a pretty interesting occurrence, especially as someone who studies geology, and I wanted to share some of the basics with you. I'll summarize where I visit in the video first and then get into the extinction event stuffs. I start off at Earth before looking at our galaxy, the Milky Way as a whole. I then head to Mimas, a moon of Saturn, which is a large impact crater, roughly 81 miles wide. I also visit Europa, Callisto, Ganymede, the planet Uranus and one of its moons Portia, and then I head to the dwarf planet Ceres, Pluto and Charon before heading back to Earth. Okay, moving on to the extinction event. The Permian-Triassic event, sometimes called the Great Dying, happened roughly 252 million years ago, marking the end of the Permian period and the Paleozoic era, and the start of the Triassic period and the Mesozoic era. It's the most severe extinction event ever to have occurred, resulting in the death of about 96% of all marine life, 70% of terrestrial vertebrates, and is the only known extinction event that includes the death of insects. It's thought it took Earth's biodiversity almost 10 million years to recover. It's characterized by three distinct phases or pulses of extinction. The mechanisms that cause these are not fully agreed upon, but the current theories are impact events, volcanism on a massive scale, ocean anoxia, which is the depletion of oxygen, a runaway greenhouse effect causing climate change, and the sudden release of methane from the ocean floor. The last thing I wanted to mention was that up until the year 2000, it wasn't possible to date the rock beds used to study this period. However, thanks to uranium lead zircon dating techniques, that's looking at the radioactive decay of lead in the mineral zircon, an estimate of roughly 252 million years ago can be made. Overall, this is a very interesting subject and one that I'm quite interested in. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it interesting too. Like this video if you enjoyed it, leave a comment or suggestion, and consider subscribing.